All right, so what I've been doing is I've been rapping a lot, and most of it's been on Instagram. So now I'm back on the YouTube game, and I'm back to uploading on YouTube because I figured out how to do it from my phone. Anyway, so this car is wrapped in a vivid blue chrome with black accents, as you see on the hood and on these little things right here, and of course I have to match it. Yeah, okay. Anyway, so my wrapping has been pretty successful. I'm undercutting all the shops by a couple $100 around here, and by posting on Instagram and on YouTube, people have been confident enough to let me wrap their vehicles. So I'm taking all of that money and it's going right back into the cars. So no profit. I'm breaking even. Well, profit in cars, right? So like I said, I just got the VR4. You guys saw that video before. And with this is a kind of a trade wrap, where normally this is valued at about a couple $1,000 when you do a chrome. The shops are charging like $6 grand or something like that. The guy that owns this vehicle bought the wrap, and then I'm just installing it for him. And in exchange, he is gonna hook me up fat with the VR4, and we're gonna take that sucker and put it on E85, boost it, and hopefully make about 500 horsepower or more. Well, that's what he says. I don't know anything about internals. I only make cars look good. Anyway, so we're gonna bring it to the specialist right now, and we're gonna figure it out. Turbo kicking. Oh man, look at that. Right here, and to drop off the VR4, and over here are these guys. This is the nice, beautiful work that they do. Look at that. This is a manifold for a MR2, right? And let's see, we got a nice throttle body thing. I don't know what that is for, but man, look at that. So these guys are gonna fab up the stuff for my VR4, so I'm super excited. All right, so this is the engine of the car before it gets worked on by these guys, so we're gonna see what it looks like after. All right, finally some more imports into the yard to get wrapped here. This is a 90s MR2 with the hardtop. It is a turbo model. It's got the 3rd gen motor in it, and it's also got a very nice body kit that was just ordered and placed onto the car, and it's ready to be wrapped. It's just primered. Here it's also got these 2-piece wheels. I think they're kind of rare wheels, but they definitely look really good. The car does have a lot of paint issues, and what I'm doing is that I've already sanded down most of the panels that have flaking and chipping paint, and it is ready to be wrapped. The bottom pieces in the body kit is very cool. I need to find out who makes that because I want some of those. Look at that nice big old exhaust pipe. gloss black, and that's the chrome there. So this is looking super awesome. The rest of the car is going to be in the black and blue theme as well. So alright, this front end is finally done, and I'm ready to flip it around and do the back end. This is taking me quite a long time just because the material is a very tough and thick chrome that I'm not used to, so I have to put a lot of heat into it and able to even stretch it just around that bend right there. Alright, here it is outside in kind of the sunlight. It's evening time, but I flipped it around to get it back into the garage. Damn, look how nice that is. Of course, the back still needs to be done, but black top with a chrome side here, and right down here I gotta redo that part, but it's all black inlay in there, black inlay in those vents. This is turning out beautiful. Look at that. Of course, the white parts are covered with the lights, just like my MR2. And the hood is propped up a little bit, so it's not closed all the way. Let's see. There you go. The bumper needs to be fully attached. It's on zip ties right now.